Oh, wow. It just slices through.
Yeah. Okay, so we're back. We're actually outside now because the forge inside is just not big enough to accommodate the entire length of this, especially when we're going to be doing the heat treating. But there's a bit of a problem. We have discovered a little bit of a crack. Now the crack is only, like with a lot of the leaf springs, where the hole is, that's where you're going to have the problem. And in this case, it's actually exactly there, right up there. So we're going to cut it a little bit short now today. And we're still going to have to draw all this out anyway, so it's gonna still be about 2 feet long. Otherwise it'd be too heavy, right? What do you reckon, Jason?
Whoa!
Yeah. Alright, now this is Brad. He's from New Zealand. Not Brad. Bread.
Loaf, what are you gonna call me?
yeah. Sorry, man. And David and Jason, you guys know. Here's Aragon, man. Aragon. Hey! Right. No, go on, look at this. Look, isn't that Aragon? Dye his hair brown.
One ring to bind them all.
You think you want to cut it like this because we're going to have a rounded shape like that, right? Mm-hmm. But it's actually the opposite, because then we're going to beat it upwards and then it's going to make a point as it's beating around. That'll give us that nice lovely curvature there. Actually, that feels really good now. Look, try it there.
Yeah.
So we have the right amount of weight there now. Huh?
Yeah, it's good.
Go for it, Jess. I'm just trying Jason's approach, but it's not working for me. Huh? Okay, that'll do. Yeah. So we're gonna do the tip now. Okay, that's gonna make sure, in theory, that bottom tip is gonna turn upwards eventually.
No way.
No, I don't know how to work. Jesus. Those disc hernias, you know? We gotta get our lip down a bit, because that's where you gotta be. Oh,
I'm done.
my ears, man. How's your ears?
What's wrong with you guys?
Huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
Why is blacksmithing so easy, Dave?
I don't know. You know, it's I don't know. You just got.
You're born with it. You're born with it, or?
I think so. If you guys seem to be pretty good at it, you know.
All right. Day number what? 4, 5?
Day number 5 now.
Welcome back, guys, and we've lost Aragon. He's gone. Aragon gone.
Aragon's gone.
Yeah. So we're gonna straighten it out and make the handle a bit longer. Is that right?
Yeah.
You can hear what I'm saying, or your new.
Yeah, thanks to
accessory?
David. He brought some earplugs, you know.
Which it's highly recommended because it really rings around.
It was bad yesterday, you know.
Well,
Are you okay? But okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, what we could do is we could use one of these leaf springs as what is known as a flatter. So we'll clean that off a little bit with the angle grinder, and then when we put that back on there, David, then we could just put it on there and you give it a bit of a whack. That'll flatten out any hammer marks, any indentations, and it'll just make it perfectly level for us. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No work. No work. No work.
No.
No.
Huh?
No work. No work.
I'm sorry. Can't help it. There we go.
Oh, if you guys didn't know, Davey Boy's got a what is it?
598 discs.
Oh, that's new. Why didn't you tell us before, man?
Huh?
Why didn't you tell us?
It's a good conversation starter, you know? Hey man, yeah, what's your name? David.
My name's David.
Yeah.
I got 588
yeah.
discs, and my mind is like a.
Goldfish.
Hey, I'm David. Herniated. Oh.
Okay. Go on. Okay. Wow, that's cleaning it up nicely, huh?
Yeah, that's flat. That's That's nice.
You want?
Why is blacksmithing so easy, Dave?
I don't know, you know, I was thinking that too, you know. The least heat, so we can use it. Yeah.
Wow.
Come on, David. Yeah. So what do you think of this blacksmithing, David?
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, you're gonna be a blacksmith when you get home?
You could do it as a job. Hey, you could make stuff and flog it.
Yeah, that's
Probably.
true. Yeah. I mean, how hard could it be, you know? Go on, tell us something interesting.
Did you know that penguins mate for life?
Really? Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah. They get little pebbles for each other, and if the woman likes the pebble, it's for life.
Really? That's how it works?
Yeah.
Wow, that is a fact.
Explain to me of the shape that you want. So this is good, and then...
Yeah, and then it should round off, like off like that.
Right, okay.
Yeah, so if we just cut that bit off, beat on it some more, it'll be okay.
Alright. Have you done an introduction today?
No, I'm just too tired today. Go on, you do it.
Welcome back, subscribers and fellow non-subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe.
Oh, that's good, yeah, I should do that more often.
Okay, so we've got a few things to do. We're gonna make a bevel and straighten it out. I didn't really...
Make some holes in the handle, yeah.
I didn't really listen when David was talking, but
Yeah.
Alright.
Now whatever you do, don't pick up that piece, okay? Okay. Don't pick it up! Don't pick it up! Oh my god, he just whacked his head off that thing. Are you alright? Let's have a look at your head. Oh. Wow, that was lucky, man. You could have gone into your brain, man. I could have killed you. Oh my god. Jesus, man.
So we've had our first casualty.
Yeah, this blacksmithing can be a bit dodgy sometimes. We just need to be going like that. That's it.
And make that.
Yeah, make it round and Bob's your uncle. You're laughing.
No way.
Literally, before the shot,
No way.
David said to please guys, don't let me do any work. My back is fucked.
I can't help it, man. I can't help it.
Blacksmith.
Yeah.
The origin of blacksmithing.
Yeah.
Where I got the name from. Smith is somebody that works with metal, and as we came to find out, lots of people back in the day were blacksmiths, you know. Well,
Like every farmer nearly was a blacksmith.
Yeah. It was so easy, apparently.
Go on, man.
And, so yeah, you get goldsmiths.
Yeah.
So, like work with
Gold.
and you get silversmiths. And because the color of the metal was black, iron and stuff,
Yeah.
it was called a blacksmith. Did you know penguins mate for life?
Well, they give each other a pebble and then they...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how did you know?
Because you told me yesterday, man. Alright. Okay.
Oh, man, that's like a knife through.
Alright, now put that thing under there. Yeah.
That's a
No,
knife.
underneath. Lift it up. Yeah.
I don't know if it's perfectly balanced.
Okay.
Quality.
Quality. Take it out. Oh, see it there?
Yeah.
Alright, what we're going to do is just going to cheat one time. We're just going to angle grind that off and we'll make a hole that way. Yeah, blacksmithing seems very easy. I don't know what the deal is with it, you know?
It's a walk in the park, mate.
Did you know?
Were you a farmer?
Take that away.
Dave, were you a farmer in a previous life as well?
I don't believe in previous lives. Well, but I was, yeah. Go and turn it around there. Okay, lift that up there. I want to see if we can get it through. Look at that.
Perfect.
Look at that. And look at that. Perfect.
Amazing.
Okay.
Bit of 5-minute epoxy. Will be good. So, what's your impression of the whole thing so far?
Interesting experience.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good. I'm a man of few words, what can I say?
Good, okay. Okay, we're gonna do the bevels now. And we're gonna whack them into ourselves. So, long I'm just gonna do an inch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go on, you go, turn around. Now the reason we're going along a section at a time is because you need more of an angle. We want to avoid warping when we're quenching later, and apparently this helps. We're still going to work on this area a little bit more. One more go at it.
That's the most difficult area because of the curve, but
Yeah, we're doing good though. That's for like the first time both of us ever doing that.
yeah.
I mean, how hard can this blacksmithing really be, you know?
Fucking easy, mate.
You know why I'm doing all this? Because there's this one guy on YouTube, his name is Chandler Dickinson. He got an awful slagging from some blacksmiths, you know, on the forum one time. And he's pretty good, you know, like really good, like what the stuff he does. And they were just slagging him and saying he's really bad and all this because he's not professional, you know, all this rubbish.
Chandler, I feel you, brother.
We feel you, man. Don't take him too serious, those people, man.
Fuck him.
Hug him, man.
Hug him.
Hug him. Just got a bit tired there of just doing 3 or 4, you know. Right.
It's nice and hot, David. Good job.
Other way around, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let me just whack it in.
Oh, no.
Hey, turn it the other way. Is it that way or something? You know? Okay, just hold it up to me like this so I can see what. We gotta take. Okay, turn it that way. We gotta take our time. We gotta just straighten out a little bit. Okay. You see that? That's it. I think that's it. Shot of the day, because we are we're all losing focus here.
Yes.
We're all getting tired, you know.
Focus.
Wow, man. So now we're more like the Pirates of the Caribbean, huh? We changed from Legolas to... Excellent.
How many transformations has this sword gone from? It's gone from Machete,
Yeah.
Naswordy, sword, axe,
Yeah.
Legolas sword,
Yeah. And now...
Captain Jack Sparrow's
Cutlass. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we'll see you in a second when we're going to be doing the quenching, or maybe this will be in another video. And stop showing off your legs, man. So, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so basically we've managed to get all the hammer marks out, angle grinded for about an hour. The idea now next is to basically normalize it, which means we're just going to put it into the fire 3 times, get it up to cherry red. Once that's done, let it air cool, and that, because we've affected the steel quite a lot. We've hammered it, we've angle grinded it. Now we can actually de-stress it by doing this normalization cycle, and we have to do that at least 3 times before quenching. If we quench it without normalizing, well, it's going to warp, it's going to shatter, like crack, and that's not what we want. So the bevels are now thin enough. Hi JC. The bevels are now thin enough. Come over here, man. The bevels are now thin enough that grinding it after hardening shouldn't be a big problem, but thick enough that it won't crack, and that's pretty much the main thing. Okay, so we are doing the normalizing, and I just wanted to show you that this is now non-magnetic. This is a pretty powerful magnet from a speaker, and it was sticking to it before, and now we know that it's at the correct temperature to actually just normalize it by leaving it air cooled. Now we still got to actually heat all of it. I just wanted to show it to you just real quick as an example.
Oh, hey Dave, just a quick question. What is the significance of doing it 3 times?
Yes, Jason. Okay. Well, now that you ask, I mean, yeah. Good question.
Luckily, I got it on record.
This time. Okay, 3 times is important because steel is affected on like a molecular level. So it just allows it to, if you do it once, it doesn't go back into the place where it usually wants it, to the normal state. But if you do it 2 or 3 times, then chances are, as it cools down slowly, the molecules will go back to where they want to be.
Oh wow, that was so informative. Thank you, David.
You're very welcome.
No wonder I subscribed to your channel so long ago. It's very good information. Thank you.
Okay, so we've made our little cutlass here, and basically I tried getting into this pipe, but obviously the bender's not going to allow it. We even tried to hammer on it, and that wasn't going to work. Now then I discovered I have this tubing for my other anvil, and unfortunately this is the only thing that seems to be working. So we cut the leg off and we're going to weld it onto this piece here all the way around, and then we have our tube which we're going to use oil to quench in. Okay, so we got ourselves some sunflower oil, which also got A and D vitamins. It's going to help the sword immensely with the machete. And basically we're pouring it in now, and lo and behold, the actual tank is holding it, so it's not pouring out.
Oh, your welding wasn't too shit, Dave.
It's
Good
not
work.
bad, eh?
Good work.
And this is just, how many liters was this? It's like 1 liter.
1 liter, yeah.
1 liter. So you got us 5 liters, yeah?
Yeah.
Now I don't know if sunflower oil is the best for quenching. Any vegetable oil apparently will work. But people use like peanut oil and all sorts of funny stuff, you know? Even like used motor oil
Whoa.
they use.
So we're chopping.
Anybody know what that is? We're chopping wood, and this fella's living.
Freaking huge.
Look at this, an alien. I want to get him. He's stuck in there though. He's probably eaten too much and now he can't get out.
Oh, good job. What an environmentalist Dave is. Oh shit.
wow.
Look at him.
Oh, holy
He's amazing. Wow,
man,
he's a
look at his-
beauty.
Look at his mandibles.
Hey, look at him. He's a beauty.
Oh wow, crikey. Wow. Yo.
Okay, let's just say hello 1 second, okay? And we put you away, okay? How are you, my friend?
As you can
Okay,
see the
let's put
markings
him-
on his back, he's obviously a
Hey, come
male.
towards me, man. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna put him somewhere else, look. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is, with this hot rod, okay, we're gonna flame up this oil. Because we wanna heat it up, okay? This is what's gonna happen.
Oh, that's amazing. It's like magic.
Like a little magic thing.
Beautiful.
Now sometimes that flames up.
Oh, as you said it,
Wow.
man. Dave,
Magician.
what a legend he is.
Not bad, eh?
Oh, happy. Whoa.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Our first quench of Excalibur. And how's she holding up? Oh, beautiful.
That is amazing.
And she's as straight as an arrow, man.
Beautiful work.
So beautiful.
Oh no, there's a little warp, little warp. Yeah, just here, look.
Alright.
Okay, we'll bring it into the...
The jig.
It's only a small warp, which is good. That looks pretty straight now. We'll let that cool now. And it should set straight now, hopefully.